is. Ma'am, your name is? Smriti, we haven't set anything up. It's very, very important. I haven't come to you before.
The time right now is 7:25, 7:26. Take your left hand and put it on the ground. Don't do anything right now. Just put it on the ground. And there is absolutely no way she would know the time of its birth.
Yes, it is.
So what's the time on the watch?
It's 12:35.
12:35 exactly over there.
Now it's the time for the introductions.
Very warm, somewhat cold welcome to all of you here. And Karan, thanks so much for setting the tone of today's evening, which was unleashing the magic, right? And we are all here to unleash the magic of EO, unleash the magic within ourselves, and unleash the magic of what can be in the future.
And I didn't observe this commitment in all my 12 years in EO. So I believe that everything starts and a fire strikes from a spark.
Are you guys excited to start your EO journey, EO Bhopal?
Yeah!
Way to go. Now we are warming up. It's a chilly evening on this rooftop. I think that's another history in the making, that actually it's our first rooftop launch in EO South Asia.
इस तरह से बस वो आप सिर्फ अपनी लिमिटेशंस तक सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन जो आपकी क्षमताएं हैं, जो आपकी कैपेबिलिटीज़ हैं, कैलिबर है, वो अनंत है। एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल मैं आपको दूंगा अभी इसका।
सब मिलके कहते हैं कि आप ऐसे ही हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए।
I'd like to say, वो उर्दू के शायर थे, तो उनको उर्दू बड़ी पसंद थी। तो उन्होंने एक चीज़ बोलते थे, वो कहते थे हिम्मत मर्दा मदद खुदा।